Hello class 11th, welcome back. Dear student, this is the video number 12 of chapter number 2, biological classification. In this video, we will study about virus and worldwide. So let's discuss about the viruses and viruses. So the word virus means in Latin language poisonous fluid. Virus means a poisonous fluid or substance made up by nucleoprotein, means nucleic acid and protein. Nucleic acid means DNA or RNA. It is a genetic material, and protein. Hence, the viruses are the made up by nucleoprotein molecules. These viruses utilize the synthetic machinery of a living cell when they enter inside any living organism, and they are the acellular form. In the five kingdom system of classification, R.H. Whittaker does not place the viruses in any kingdom because they are the acellular structure. They are the disease causing, pathogenic and non-cellular form. See here, they are the non-cellular and they may be crystalline structure outside the living and replicate inside the living. They are in the crystal form outside the living body, and they are replicate when they enter inside the body, and they utilize the synthetic machinery of a living cell. They show the living and non-living both the characters. That's why viruses are considered as connecting link between living and non-living. One important scientist, D.J. Ivanovsky, who recognized first time the tobacco mosaic virus in the leaf of tobacco, that is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. The structure of TMV is this, in which a single-stranded RNA is found inside an outer side of protein covering that is known as capsid. As we know that viruses are a nucleoprotein structure made up by nucleic acid and protein. So either it is RNA or DNA found in their genetic materials, and protein is found outside this genetic material. So protein and genetic material, DNA or RNA. Generally, the plant viruses are single-stranded RNA. The plant viruses having single-stranded RNA, whereas the animal viruses, they having the double-stranded DNA. And the bacteria eating viruses means bacteriophage. Such a virus who eat the bacteria are known as bacteriophage. They having the double-stranded DNA. So this is about the viruses, and they are the connecting link between living and non-living. Some common diseases are caused by viruses: common cold, influenza, HIV/AIDS, smallpox, leaf rolling, leaf curling, bird flu, and nowadays the COVID-19 coronavirus disease. So these are the diseases caused by viruses. What are the living and non-living characters of viruses? Let us see the living and non-living characters of viruses. Viruses having the genetic materials. So genetic materials is the presence of living characters. So they occur the genetic material, it is a living character. They have ability to multiply inside the host. So this is the living character. They have the ability to control the host machinery. This is the living character. And they are the host specific. They know their host. For example, the bird flu is only related with birds. The COVID-19 or coronavirus is only related with human beings. So they are the host specific. So these are the living characters. See the non-living character of viruses: absence of cellular structure. They are the non-cellular particles. They are the crystalline particles, non-cellular particles, acellular form. So this is the non-living character. According to cell theory, you know that viruses are also the exception of cell theory. because they had not a definite cell structure. Absence of metabolic machinery, there is no metabolism inside their body. If the cell is not present, so metabolism is obviously not present. There is no growth in the viruses, they only can multiply, but there is no growth is reported in the viruses. There is no movement in viruses, they transmit through air, they transmit through water droplet or any other means, but they don't have any movement. They can be crystallized outside the host. They can be crystallized and packed in a bottle outside the host. So these are the characters of non-living characters of viruses. Hence the viruses are said to be connecting link between living and non-living. See, this is the structure of bacteriophage, in which this is a head containing double-stranded DNA inside this, and head is having the protein. This is the collar, this is the sheath, and having a tail fiber 6 in number. This is the structure of bacteriophage who engulf the bacteria. So bacteriophage and tobacco mosaic virus, these are the two figures of virus, which is very important. Now the next topic is viroids. Viroids is also very important. In 1971, Theo Diner discovered a new infectious agent smaller than viruses, and they caused potato spindle tuber disease. They are the free RNA without protein code and hence named viroids. Viroids only having the RNA without protein code. प्रोटीन कोड वायरॉइड्स में नहीं होता था, वहीं वायरसेस में डीएनए और आरएनए के साथ प्रोटीन का कोड भी पाया जा रहा है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस आल्सो in virus and viroids. And viroids are smaller than viruses. They are the new infectious agent discovered by Theo Diner in year 1971. So this is all about video number 12 about viruses and viroids. In the next video, video number 13, we will study about lichens. Thank you.